Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to speed up video in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So now I'm going to show you three very easy ways on how you can do this. So the first one is we're going to go and play this clip right here so that you would know how it is with the normal speed right here. So this is the normal speed. And now the first method on how we can speed that up is we're going to go and find the rate stretch tool right here in our toolbar. And then if you can find this, then you can just hold Alt and then you can just click on this many times until you get the rate stretch tool right there. So once you have this, all you have to do now is select your clip, and then from here you want to stretch your clip right here if you want to make it slower, but since we want it to be faster, then we're going to make it shorter. And now when we play it, it is now as fast as this one. So this is a very easy way on how you can do it. And another way is that we're just gonna bring this back, and then we can right click on this one, and then you can go and find the speed duration, and from here you can go for the speed. So if you want to go for 100, this is the normal speed right here, but if you want to go faster, then of course you can go for 300. And then when you click on OK, and then as you can see, you would see that the clip is now much shorter because it has now been sped up. And yeah, that is very easy. And then the next thing is that we're gonna expand our clip right here in our view, our clip. So to do that, we're gonna go and press Control plus right here on our keyboard. As you can see, it is now getting bigger. Control and then the plus key on your keyboard, and then from here we're gonna go and right click on it once it's big enough, and then click on Show Clip keyframes, and then go for timer mapping and speed. And then from here we can just drag this one right here, just like that. We can drag it very high, the bar right there, and as you can see, it's gonna be so much shorter because it has been sped up. Or if you can also drag it lower if you want it to be slower, just like that. So that is basically it for this video. Those are the ways on how you can speed up your video here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.